Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a part of my long-haired series. I'll be sharing different ways to style your hair, sleep with your long hair or extensions, and then also proper ways to be washing and maintaining and taking care of your long luscious locks. I hope you find my tips and tricks helpful. Thank you so much and stay tuned. I just wanted to show you guys really quick how I like to secure my hair up in a top knot every night when I sleep so that I don't tangle my ends, and also so that I don't create any creases in my hair. I like to use the Invisibobble or sometimes a scrunchie as well. Silk scrunchies are great too. So what you're gonna do is take all of your hair and bring it back. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just comb it back with your hands, not too tight, but a good amount. And then I have my Invisibobble on my wrist, and then I take my hair and I twist it like so. And then I wrap it around the base, hold it there. Take the hand that you have your Invisibobble on or scrunchie and just place it on top of your twisted bun like a claw, and then pull over and wrap it around either twice, or sometimes if my hair is really soft I do 3 times. And then this is how I typically sleep with my hair every single night. And when I take it out in the morning, I have a lot of volume and a little bit of nice natural tousled lived-in wave or texture. So I highly recommend sleeping this way, because the worst is when you have really long hair and it kind of turns into like a dreadlock behind your head. It's really frustrating and it can be really rough on your processed colored hair, but it also is not fun to comb out in the morning, especially before coffee. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tip here, and have a good rest of your day. Thanks.